Hey everyone, Tony G here. So, in today's videos, we are going to be talking about the lower extremities. In this video series, we are going to be stretching our legs using a stretch strap. Now, these stretches can be performed standing as well. Keeping that in mind, we're going to do the ones that we are laying down. This can be done in a bed, on a massage table, whatever you have at home. Don't think that because you don't have the equipment, you can't do these things, okay? That being said, let's keep in mind that it doesn't need to be a stretch strap. You can use a bathrobe. You can take off a belt and wrap it around your foot and keep it moving, okay? I truly despise when my patients, my clients all tell me, hey, I can't do this because I don't have the equipment. That is a poor excuse. You can make the equipment and I will show you how, okay? This series is going to be taking part in the clinic. I'm also going to be doing a series at my own home as well. Unfortunately, I did receive a lot of feedback where it was like, hey, let's try to get a little more professional look, and so here it goes. Why not? We'll try it at work, okay? So, keeping that in mind, stay tuned. I hope you enjoy the video. And again, make sure everyone to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already, okay? So, the first stretch we will be doing is called a hamstring stretch. These are the muscles in the back of the leg. Now, when your hamstrings get very, very tight, they tend to contribute to back pain. This being said, you want to make sure that you're stretching your hamstrings, okay? So, at first, I'm going to stretch my right hamstring, and then I will transition into my left, okay? Doing that, we can either take the bathrobe or a stretch strap. Now, you can find these fancy stretch straps on Amazon. If you type in green yoga stretch strap, you get these like 12 bucks or something. Or you could just use a bathrobe or anything you have, okay? Now, what you want to do is you want to lay on your back and relax comfortably. And you want to just pull your leg up until you feel tension into the back of the leg. Now, if while you're doing this, you're getting numbness, tingling into your leg, stop, take a little break. Sometimes you can actually choke the nerves of the leg. If that's not happening and you're just feeling a nice gentle pull or some tension to the back of your leg, you're going to hold it, okay? We're going to hold our leg straight up. We're going to do it for 30 seconds, and I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And we're going to come down. Remember, after we stretch, you want to make sure that you are relaxing the muscle, taking it back into its normal relaxed range so the myosin and actin fibers can actually recoil, and then we're going to stretch them out again, okay? Now, due to the positioning, you can alternate from one leg to the next. However, I found that getting up and coming that can actually cause more back pain, so we're going to focus on doing 3 on the right side, and then we'll do 3 on the left side, okay? And we're just going to pull up again. This time we're going to try to go just a little bit more extra, making sure that we keep our knee nice and straight. You don't want a bent knee while you're doing this. You want your leg nice and straight so you feel the full entirety of the stretch. And we're going to hold it 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, and come down nice and smooth. Give yourself anywhere between a 5 to 10 second break between the two, and we're going to go again. Now, as to save my voice, I'm going to be using my watch this time, but we're going to hold it for a full 30 seconds. Here we go. We're going to pull straight up and go. Now, since I don't have to count, I can actually talk to you. What happens here is that if sometimes people will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you don't want to do that, okay? Typically, you can use a timer. Every cell phone and app, there's, even on your iPads, you have timer apps. So there's no excuse why you can't get a timer. If not, you can just follow along with me, and this is a great way to feel the stretch out. And we got 4 seconds, 3, 2, and 1. Come on down and relax, okay? Then we're going to come up nice and slow, and we're going to switch sides. Okay, now typically when you are stretching your legs, you want to be doing 3 on one side and 3 on the other. It's just a good number. I found throughout the years of practice that it tends to help, okay? We're gonna lay back, relax, pull the leg straight up, and you know what? I'll count this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Come on down and relax. Give the muscle about a few seconds. Sometimes if you like, you can kind of shake it out loose, wiggle the leg a little bit. This is a good way of doing this. Now, ideally, you are doing this on a firm surface. If you're doing this on your bed, you might actually sink in a little bit. Those things happen. But of course, you got to work with where you can do this, okay? We're going to pull straight up, and we're going to go again. Ready, set, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Come on down. Relax. We're going to shake the leg loose a little bit. Now, the hamstrings run particularly tight on a lot of people. Okay, if this is your first time stretching, always go gentle. You never want to be forceful with the stretch, and you never want to be yanking as hard as you can on your legs, okay? Remember, everybody, you want to be gentle. Listen to your body and work with it, okay? For the last one, it's going to be silent mode. Talk about other things, and we're going to start the timer and go. Okay? Now, again, remember, keeping the legs straight. Your back and your pelvis should be on the table, on the surface that you're on, and you're pulling your leg, okay? Now, sometimes if you want to make the stretch a little bit stronger, you can actually point your toe back. However, this is going to be stretching your gastrocs or your calves. Now, if this does happen, this is going to create a lot of extra tension on the back of your leg. So just be mindful of that, okay? And relax, okay? Now, that is a hamstring stretch. I hope this video helped. Please, everyone, make sure to hit like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.